Hey Peach, I hope the day has been good to you. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a slip stitch. I'm going to begin with a foundation chain of 12 plus 1. You can create any number you like for your foundation as long as you add one extra chain at the end. Once I reach the end, I'm going to insert my hook into the second chain from the hook. Now that my hook is inserted, I'm going to wrap my yarn around my hook and pull it through the chain I just went into, but I'm also going to continue to pull it straight through the loop on my hook. The difference between this stitch and others is that I'm not pausing to wrap my yarn around the hook again after I've pulled it through the chain. I'm going straight through both the chain and the initial loop on my hook. I'm going to repeat that all the way across, and once I place the last slip stitch into the last chain of my foundation, I'll chain one, then I'll turn my work so I'm looking at the back of the row I just created. To start my second row, I'm going to find the top of the last slip stitch I created for row 1 and create my first slip stitch of row 2 there. Now this part can be a little tricky with this stitch. Because it's such a tight stitch, it can be hard to not only find, but to insert your hook, especially if you have tight tension like I do. Now that you've placed your first stitch of row 2, you'll repeat that all the way across to the end. Here, I wanted to show you the difference between the four most common stitches. The bottom swatch is the slip stitch. The swatch right above that is the single crochet. Above that, second from the top, is the half double crochet, and the one on the very top is the double crochet. All of these swatches started with the same 12 chain foundation row. Each has the same number of rows, and for all of them, I used the same hook, yarn, and tension. I hope this tutorial proved to be helpful, and I hope you have a peachy day.